Hello mga pamangkings at mga pamangqueens, Tito Hans New here. It's been a while since we posted a video here on our channel. Ang tagal na rin natin nag-last travel with the family, but now we're doing it because it's Christmas time, it's Christmas season, so panahon na naman ng pasyalan. And I'm really very excited to take you again with us, just like what we did in the previous videos. Now, we're going to the summer capital of the Philippines. Kahit hindi summer, yes, you heard it right. We're going to Baguio in December. Come on! Alright, hello mga pamangkings at mga pamangqueens. Tito Hans New here, and it's a new vlog. It's a travel vlog again with the family. We're now here reaching La Union area. We're on the T-Plex area. It's currently 6:15 in the morning. Tapos ito yung sitwasyon ngayon dito. Si Mother tulog. Ate Tintin and Mama Tin is at the back. Mika and the rest of the D-League fam is on the other van. Siguro mga 2 hours pa nasa Baguio na kami, and umalis kami ng maaga para haba yung araw namin sa Baguio first day kasi we're only spending overnight, so we wanna make the most out of it. So join us, but before anything else, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe ha. So ayun, sana makapag-subscribe kayo. I'll get back to you once we're up in the mountains. See you guys. Okay, stop over here in Rosario, La Union, and CR muna kami. Say hi, Freya! Hi! Si Freya. Hey, hi! Miss Mika. Oh nga. Hi, ate! Good morning! Lamig. Ano may sinasabi si mother, ano? Yapping daw, malamig. Yan. Lahat sila nakatulog, ako hindi. Alright, we're now here in Rosario. This is the last stopover before going to the zigzag. And we break lang kami with the drivers and all. The weather is very, very malamig ha. Kaya tuwan-tuwa si mother. And yeah, we're just taking our time. It's currently 6:45. We'll probably up in Baguio like mga 7:15 or 7:30, and then we'll go straight to breakfast. Okay. Tin, ate, say hi. Mika. Hi. Hello. Hello mga pamangkings at mga pamangqueens. Update lang. We're finally here in Baguio. It's 8:45 in the morning. It's quite a chilly weather. And syempre first order of business, nandito tayo sa Good Taste. Yan. We decided to have breakfast na here. First meal here in Baguio. So, you know naman, para agad-agad check on our bucket list. So, I'll show you guys what we ordered. Alright, after that heavy sumptuous brunch that we had sa Good Taste, next destination naman natin mga pamangkings at mga pamangqueens ay dito sa Mines View Park. Okay guys, as usual, pag nandito sa Mines View Park, bababa tayo and papunta tayo dun sa parang outlook bridge area, and syempre yung dog tsaka yung mga kabayo na colorful. Ayan, nandito si ma'am. What's that?
Money maker.
Wow!
Making ng pera.
Wow! So the plantito and plantitas out there, Baguio is one haven paradise for you kasi nga bukod sa mga pampasalubong mga halaman ay nagkalat. So we're checking out some succulents out there. Money maker daw pampaswerte. So I hope it works. Okay, we're still here in Mines View Park at syempre kapag nandito, posing with the kabayos. Sila Mika, JD, and the rest are nakapila to have picture on that horsey. It's currently like mga 10:30 in the morning and malamig naman yung panahon pero as usual, ang tito nyo pawis. Buti na lang naka-sunscreen na tayo mula kagabi. What can you say?
Okay, it's fine. It's pretty hot.
Are you excited to ride the horse?
Yeah.
Ikaw, JD, excited?
De.
Ate, what's that? Mais, Tita Yel. Thank you sa mangga. Ama, can I see your mangga? Wow, thank you, Tita Yel. Tapos may bagoong. Ay, pawis na tito nyo.
Dami. Kumaasin nyo.
Melikado buhay ko dun. Namulik na ako matusok. Oh, here's the madam. Hanggang bago mag-exit. Namimili. So ayun, si Madam Lucy. That's what you endure. Pagkasama mo si Madam. Maraming stopovers sa pagkain. But yeah, that's our Mines View adventure. And now we're heading back to the van, hopping off to our next. So here's another adventure. Naghahanap na po ng Sagada Oranges si Madam. Bago pa kami makarating sa aming sasakyan. Yan. Medyo dumadami na yung people. It's a good thing na mas maaga-aga tayo, no? Mas maaga-aga kaming dumating. But now, people are starting to make puno the area. So there. So ayan na nga po si Madam. Orange again. Those were fresh Sagada oranges, guys. It's currently almost 12 o'clock in the afternoon and naghihintay lang talaga kami ng time, nagkikill kami ng time while waiting for our check-in at 2 p.m. So nakapag Mines View na kami and then we're going to the right park which is over here and the mansion over there. Hello! It was always nice to be back, mga pamangkings at mga pamangqueens. Last time I was with my friends, and now family naman ang kasama natin. Baguio is always a place to look forward to. Kahit ulit-ulit na yung mga pinupuntahan, it's always a different feel, or iba yung pakiramdam kapag umabalik dito sa Baguio. I guess the weather has something to do about it as well. And yung vibe talaga ng Baguio. Alright, so we're inside the mansion. As always, hanggang dito lang naman ng photo spot mo. But this, I guess this is the best spot. Ang dami ko ng picture dito mula bata. Iba-ibang era. Ganda ng Christmas tree nila. Look. There you go. Ganda. Group photo. Yan. Another one for the books. Another mansion bucket list. Surprisingly, gumana yung fountain sa Wright Park. Check it out. Ooh. Yun. So another round of Sagada oranges here sa Wright Park. How was it, ate? Good?
Let's go.
Yeah, we're off to our next destination. Hindi pa pala ito yung last namin before checking in kasi kulang yung time. Ayan, parating na yung vans. Yung mga vans. Buti na lang hindi mahirap mag-parking ngayon. May mga designated parking areas and we're getting a little luck for today kasi may mga napaparkingan kami. Diba? Pasakay na po, mother! Kami ba ta?
Apo.
Diyos ko,
Dito yan.
si madam na makyaw ng ano.
Wala ako isa.
O sige, go, go, go. Diyos ko!
Yes na walang buto.
So here's the situation inside the van now. Orange here, orange everywhere. Because of this madam na namakyaw ng orange. My goodness. Ay nako. Hello mga pamangkings at mga pamangqueens. I don't know if you could hear me. I forgot the mic sa van. Update lang after Wright Park and the mansion. We're here at John Hay sa Starbs. Dahil down na lahat ng energy namin, kailangan namin ng coffee. And then finally, we're checking in. Last stop na talaga to. Totoo na yan. And thank you Mama Teen for the treat. Alright guys, I ordered for caramel macchiato, iced. Nakagising. I received a message from Tito Ray kasi nandito rin si Tito Ray. He was supposed to be with us on this trip, pero nung una nag-aalanganin siya. But it turned out to be na nauna pa ang lolo nyo sa amin kasi kagabi ba yun? No, kahapon ng umaga. Ay, picture na.
Thank you pala.
Thank you, Marcy. Where was I? The other day, niyaya siya ng sister niya. So, nag-overnight na sila here and then now, lilipat siya kasama namin. So, it's gonna be fun. Kasama natin si Tito Ray. Hello, pretty ladies. Mika, Tita Yel, and Ate. Hello. Can you give us a room tour, please?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Okay,
So, what do we have?
We have seats. sit to relax
Wow.
and see the view on the Baguio.
Oh, what's that park? It's Burnham Park.
Yeah, and
Wow.
you can relax here and content the TikTok.
Are you
and
sure?
Even you have
Fan.
electric fan.
Yeah.
And you even have a big mirror.
Okay.
And we have a
Queen size bed.
Queen size bed.
All right. What do we have?
Alright.
Electric fan also. Yeah. You already mentioned it. And then over there, there's water supply
And we have
where you can get water.
relax.
And this is the veranda. And there's a couch here. Oh. There you have it. Alright, update guys. We are already checked in our hotel. This is Metro Pines Inn. Not that 5-star or 4-star hotel, but it's actually nice and clean. And the reason na pinili namin ito it's actually in the middle of everything. Look at this. Okay, that's Burnham Park. There's SM, the cathedral is there, and this is a room. Okay, so na-tour na kayo ni Mika. Quick look lang, ito yung restroom natin na nabinyagan na ni Ma'am. Pasado siya kasi may bidet. Malakas ba yung pressure ng bidet, Mami? Hindi masyado. Okay, and there's water heater, importante. And clean naman yung shower niya. And that's Mother doing the preliminary housekeeping. Yun. So, okay, it's currently 2:30 and nakapag-nest na kami. Magpapahinga lang, mag-freshen up lang kami. And by 4 or 5 p.m., we're heading to Burnham Park to have bike and sunset there and maybe boat or whatever. And then we'll take it from there. See you guys! Hello mga pamangkings at mga pamangqueens, update. Kakatapos lang namin mag-afternoon nap. It was so recharging. And ngayon, ano na siya? 5:10 ng hapon. And sobrang chilly ng weather. That is where we are staying. That's Metro Pines Inn. Nakita niyo sa room tour kanina. Sobrang comfortable at sobrang ganda ng location. Where is it located? Pag dito ka sa labas, ayan lang ang good taste. Pagkakain kayo. At over here naman is the way going to Burnham Park. Walking distance lang. Actually, we're going there right now. Nauna na yung mga kids at saka yung ibang group because we're having a park walk. Diyan na kami na magpapagabi before having dinner. Siguro magbabike, magbo-boat ride, and also join us in this afternoon. Alright, we're here now at Burnham Park and I'm with someone. Sino to? Our special guest. Say hello, Tito Ray. Oh, di ba? Hello.
Meron kayo kay pa.
Ayan, ito. Say hello. Mommy, say hi. Sad kasi wala na pala yung lake. Nakabakod siya. Look. You know, we're walking dito. Usually dyan yung boat, diba? Hindi ko alam kung nire-repair lang or forever na siyang wala. Chilly weather. Not that cold, but comfortable enough for your tito to walk na hindi pinapawis-pawisan at walang electric fan. And yung number ng tao, although it's holiday, hindi siya ganun ka outpour ba yung tawag doon? Yun. So, pupunta namin mga kids right now. Nasa bike area sila. And siguro we're gonna stay here until we have dinner. Alright. Bike lang yung mga kids. Hindi ko na sila makita kung nasaan. But, yan. Having fun. Madilim na rin. Malamig na rin yung panahon. And pupunta na kami sa restaurant. Tapos na rin daw sila eh. Place that we always go to every time that we're here in Baguio. Sizzling Plate. If the name sounds familiar, I think ito yung main nung kinakainan natin sa mall. Before siya naging fast food chain. Okay, so we're entering. Tulog talaga siya. Update, mga pamangkings at mga pamangqueens. We are now seated here inside Sizzling Plate. And we're about to start our meal. Nag-serve na sila ng soup. And I ordered for porterhouse steak. I wonder kung iba yung porterhouse dito sa restaurant compared dun sa mga food courts na meron yung Sizzling Plate. Let's see. I'm with the whole gang. Parang pinito. Order is here. Na pour in the gravy. This is how you do it.
That's the purpose of this.
Kaya may ka-turn na ng Java rice things that half masticated now inside your mouth. Alright, we're back at the hotel, guys. Ito naman. Ito yung sinasabi ko na getting a hotel on a prime location is really worth it. Tignan mo, lakad lang kami from Sizzling Plate and Burnham Park. And sa harapan ko, I don't know kung masuzoom, that's SM Baguio. Yun. That's SM Baguio over there, guys. Kita-kita. Tapos dito elevator going to our hotel. And there's a Watson's here. And may Watson's dito. Nandiyan sila Mika namin. The veranda. Wow!
Oh, dyan ka na.
Oh, di ba? Ito rin. Pwede tayo mag-talk show dito.
Bawal na mag-yotso sa Baguio.
Good evening, Baguio! That's SM. Where's the cathedral over there? Yan. Yun, so may chill area tayo. Ang ganda pa ng lighting point. Tambay lang kami dito sa veranda ng hotel. 5th floor, by the way. On the background, maririnig mo yung parang may carnival kasi ang Burnham Park eh. So, very, very happy atmosphere. Look at this lights.
Very festive.
Very festive. Shall I stand corrected
No.
by the human smoke machine? Tito Ray is here. Tapos lang namin mag-dinner and we're supposed to go to the Baguio Country Club for the Christmas Village. Pero since happy naman na yung mga kids dito sa Burnham Park, Christmas something, may parang amusement park dyan. We, after dinner, umuwi muna kami here and we're gonna take some rest and then once it's 9 o'clock, we're heading to the night market. Yun. So, see you guys! Okay, hello mga pamangkings at mga pamangqueens update. Sumama sa vlog. We are going to the night market. It's currently 9:30. So, bukas na yung night market. Nakatulog kami lahat after dinner. And now we're going there. And we're gonna find out what's in store for us. Pero ako for sure, pagkain lang. So, ayan. Outfit ni Mother. wala siyang shawl, so pinagdugtong-dugtong namin yung isang scarf. Alright, saya pa rin ng Baguio at this time. Feeling the Christmas vibes. As busy as it is, as dangerous as it is, as adventurous as it is, we're here now at the Baguio Night Market. Mother, welcome to the night market. First time ni Mami dito sa night market. It's actually my second. And kakayanin-gaya niya. So ayan, hanggang dito, nagbibigay ng command sa mga staff. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa night market. Nag-pause lang kami for a while. Naghiwa-hiwalay kami as usual, just like what we did on the last vlog. And nagkaroon lang kami ng meeting place dito again sa entrance ng mga food stalls. We're munching up again to the street food sa Baguio. Ako naman, wala naman ako masyadong nabibili dito aside from may nakitang like medyas or yung mga brand new stuffs. May mga accessories or stuff that could be helpful sa lifestyle natin. But I always look forward on the food. They're trying also the tteokbokki with fish cake from the Korean street food. So, medyo naambon na eh. I guess we're heading back to the hotel. Pero drizzle pa lang naman. Trying some street food here at the night market. Fish cake with tteokbokki. How about you, sir? Black Forest. Basta masarap. At pwede bang mawala ang pusit na inihaw kahit matinding exercise sa panga. Well, that's Baguio experience. Uwi na kami. And we're calling it a day. Bye guys! We're here at the Igorot Stone Kingdom and for the nth time, nandito ako. Hindi na ako tumuloy again umakyat doon. It's currently drizzling but yung mga kids and the other group na lang yung umakyat. I will just insert photos para naman makita niyo kung ano yung adventures nila doon. Hello mga pamangkings at pamangqueens. We're here at Grumpy Joe's. We waited for, not for a while, but for a long time. But I hope it's worth it. And yeah, dito na po yan. And after here, we're heading down. So, we're passing by the Lion's Head. We took the Cannon Road, so that's the Lion's Head over there. Yun. Hindi na kami bumaba. So again, thank you very much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. There you go. Para lagi tayong updated sa isa-isa. Bye guys. See you.